In this video for presenting this 6 features I will use Milwaukee stud measuring tape. Hi, and welcome to my channel Bob the Tool Man. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Below in the description you can find a link to purchase this product on Amazon so I can earn a small commission to keep this channel going. Thank you. You can easily measure inside cabinets, doors, walls or other places. If you want to measure inside something, a cupboard for example, hold the tape blade itself and push the hook end of the tape up to one side and then push the body of the tape measure itself to the other side, press the lock button and read the measurement as it comes out of the casing. Add the width of the tape itself, printed on the side of the case, to get the total. The hook on the end of a tape measure floats to allow you to take external and internal measurements. The amount of float equals the thickness of the metal hook at the end you see. Push the tape along until the hook just drops over the end and then pull. If you run the tape to pass the end of material and then pull back, some cheap tapes are prone to snag on the rivets holding the hook so you don't get accurate measurement. Hooking the little slot in the end of the tape over a screw or nail you can draw circles. For this you can use rubber band to hold the pencil at desired radius. You can use a measuring tape to mark a line for parallel cuts using a pencil as a marking gauge. Magnet at end of a measuring tape mounted above hook, is used to stick the end of the measuring tape to the material made from metal so you can measure freely. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so you can receive notifications every time I upload a new video. Also please comment, like, and share.